Chris Brown's dog just cost him $13 million. In 2020, Maria Avila was working as a housekeeper in Chris Brown's home. She was taking out the trash when suddenly she was attacked by his 200-pound Caucasian Shepherd security dog that left her permanently disfigured after the dog ripped off large chunks of her skin. She also suffered vision loss, nerve damage, and PTSD. In her lawsuit, she sued Chris Brown for premises liability because she was attacked at his home. She also sued for negligence under strict liability and negligent infliction of emotional distress. It's been reported that she was suing for $90 million, but the amount has not been disclosed. She was suing for the medical expenses she incurred, the loss of wages since she was unable to work after the incident, and for legal fees. The trial lasted only 2 weeks, but prior to the trial, Chris Brown had admitted to the negligence under California dog bite statute in a court filing. Despite the admission, he disputed the extent of the injuries that Maria Avila had suffered. During his defense, Brown claimed that he did not own the dog was owned by security, and that it was necessary to have the dog because he faced so many stalker situations. On the day of the incident, Brown claimed that he had the dog barking and rushed out of the house to find Maria lying face down on the ground in a pool of blood. He claims that he locked up the dog in the kennel and then he went over to Maria to check whether she was breathing, and then called security, who called the paramedics. Chris Brown testified that he warned Maria not to walk outside without his security because the dogs were not friendly. He further testified that he did not personally call emergency response out of fear that if the call leaked, it would create a media circus due to the negative publicity he usually faces. It's further been reported during cross-examination that Chris Brown offered no help to Maria while she was laying on the ground. He also fled the scene after he was advised by his management to stay away from the incident due to his status as an artist. The jury found Chris Brown negligent and awarded Maria Avila $13 million. Her sister, Patricia Avila, who was also working on the day, had sued Chris Brown for premises liability, negligence, and negligent infliction of emotional distress, as she claims that she witnessed the attack that left her scarred. However, Chris Brown's lawyers argued that she was just a remote bystander because she was not attacked by the dog, did not observe, nor was she present during the attack. Further, her injuries that she alleges she suffered, such as PTSD, emotional distress, and panic attack, due to the alleged unsafe working conditions she claims, can be compensated under the Workers' Compensation Act, and so she was actually barred from suing Chris Brown as an employer and should have actually filed a claim for work injury and sought compensation. Despite Chris Brown's lawyers' arguments, the jury awarded Patricia Avila $885,000. The last person to be awarded was Maria Avila's husband, who was awarded $50,000 because he claimed that his wife's injuries affected their marriage.